Can you see it? Ah, tailing in May! Oh my gracious, this is amazing! Oh my god! No, exactly. Wow. Look at it! I love it! Okay, are we gonna make it? My goodness, it's getting worse and more crazy. Wow.
It's just melting on my hand.
Right? Because it's not cold enough.
Oh, I hit my hand and bounced off. Here.
Oh my gosh.
Get those big ones.
Okay, so I am by no means, of course, any type of beauty guru. I rarely wear makeup. I almost never really do my hair, and I just don't like even use a lot of facial products, cleansers or lotions or things like that. But I've been seeing a lot of people do the charcoal mask, and I saw like a version of a charcoal mask at Target, and I thought I would try it because I just have a lot of like blackheads and things like that, so I thought I would try it and see if it would work. It's not like a peel, it doesn't say that it's a peel, it's just a mud mask, so there won't be like the peeling off of my skin, but we're gonna try it and just see like if it seems to really work its way into my pores, if it feels good, and if we like it in the end, and I'll let you guys know. So let's try this. Okay, so here's the mask. I apologize, I already opened it. It's this brand, new Yes 2, I guess is the brand. And as you can see, it's a detoxifying charcoal mud mask. And the directions just say, apply generous amounts to clean skin and let it do its magic and rinse off with water. So breakouts will be history, so let's see if it works. I don't get a lot of breakouts, but I do get some, so we'll see if it works. I'm just gonna apply it to like right here. I think I may be down here. Okay, let's see what happens. We're back, and it's been like 10 minutes. It's a little bit wet still, but it's definitely like a mud mask. So I'm gonna try using these first, just because I don't want to make a mess. Very smooth. It's not hard to get off, but it just takes time. No, my skin turns red when I rub it too hard, so the redness is not from the mud mask. I'm gonna take a washcloth and like clean up. Maybe it's just water and a towel. Definitely feels smooth, but tacky weird. Tacky. Well, my face definitely feels smoother right here for sure. You can see it's like shinier, and it definitely feels like a little bit tighter, which is also pretty good. So I'd love to see if it really clears off my face. I have some spots here, so I'd love to see if it like clears it up, but It definitely feels good, so I like that a lot. But maybe someday I want to try the peel off one because I think that might really get like the blackheads more. But I think it was successful, and it was like a $3 mask for $2.60, so really inexpensive, and it still feels really nice, so you guys should try it. It's time. How could I possibly be expected to work on a night like tonight? You see, the key to the perfect classic Tuesday movie night, well, first, is to get your tickets ahead of time. And second, is to make sure to bring your cup. And third, is definitely to tell your friends.
Jenna's got her popcorn.
Because who doesn't want to go see Ferris Bueller on a Tuesday night at 7 p.m.? So, our friends are waiting. Let's go.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
What a powerful name it is. What a powerful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a powerful name it is. Nothing can stand against. What a powerful name it is. The name of Jesus. What a powerful name it is. The name of Jesus. What a powerful name it is. The name of Jesus. So I spent a lot of time in my house, and today I thought maybe I would show you a few things about my house that I love. Like this Audrey Hepburn picture I painted, sort of sketched on a canvas and put on my wall. All of my awesome old Super 8 and 16mm cameras, I have quite a few because I love them. This really cool TV stand that I got for free and painted all the white part. There's my only piece of mid-century modern furniture, this awesome chair, and that frame that I made. I think it's cool and it took me forever to make, so I keep it. These awesome old radios that I have, neither of which I ever use. My new print of Tina from Bob's Burgers, it's the best. This awesome bouquet of flowers that I made out of real hymn book pages, along with my favorite Apple book and an awesome comic book from one of my favorite comics. These canvases that I also painted / sketched from some things I found online that I thought were awesome. My new ukulele alongside my ginormous picture of California. This awesome print from another one of my favorite comics, my vintage but probably not so vintage metal sign of Rosie the Riveter. And last but not least, this awesome cross stitch my mom made for me and gave to me as a gift. That's probably my most favorite thing out of all of them. Some of these things are just fun and some of them are sentimental, but I love them all and I'm so glad that they're in my house. We're in the truck and we're going yard sailing. Are we going yard sailing?
The whole fantasy thing. Definitely fantasy for me. It's Charlie Hunt.
Are you eating
And
snacks?
which is a comedy that sounds dirty. But it's not.
We're going yard sailing. Lennon's eating snacks. Today we are making my favorite banana bread, which is super easy, and I'm going to show you how I do it. bananas, butter, sugar, eggs, flour, baking soda, salt, vanilla. That's basically the whole recipe. Look in the description below. I'll leave like the amounts and stuff. And then today we're making chocolate chip banana bread, so I'll put some chocolate chips in it. First of all, bananas. Mushed up. Real gross. Add your melted butter to your bananas and mix. A cup of sugar. 1 egg. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix. A teaspoon of baking soda. A pinch of salt. And a cup and a half of flour. Mix it. And chocolate chips. Today I'm going to use a bunt, so I'm helping out my bunt pan by putting in grease and flour. Preheat your oven to 350. Bake for about 50 minutes. You can just slice it up and serve it just like this. It tastes really good. I happen to have some chocolate ganache left over from a different cake I made. I'm just gonna like melt it down slowly and pour it over it. So I'm gonna heat this like 15 seconds at 15-second intervals until it's like fully melted. So let's try heating it. I'm gonna use my pointer finger. Stir, stir the chocolate, stir the chocolate. One more time. We're gonna get a little bit fancy and pour this on with the piping bag. So, pro tip, put your piping bag in a cup, wrap it around the edges, and pour your stuff inside. Nothing comes out perfect, so embrace the imperfection of pouring. You should make this banana bread because it's so good. Sausage. Shh, don't tell them about the surprise.
What are you guys doing? What are you doing at this space?
Are you done? Alright, you sure? Alright, you promise? You won't hit me anymore? Okay, thank you. Did it 2 seconds ago. You were so cute 2 seconds ago.
Mwah.
Mwah. Mwah.
Sam's here. Yeah, Sam just showed up, so I'm riding in it.
Oh god, now you're over it. I'm over it.
It's just popping the sport.
But what about I eat it? Oh, ooh. Oh.